Hi, in this video we're going to find the circumference of a circle using the diameter of the circle. Now in the previous video we saw that if we had a circle and we had the radius of the circle, remember the radius is the line from the centre of the circle to the perimeter, the circumference of the circle, and let's say that radius had length r, then the circumference of the circle, which just meant the perimeter of the circle, is equal to 2 times by pi times by r, the radius r. Remember in algebra when things are next to each other, so 2 pi r, that just means 2 times pi times r. And pi, remember, was a special number in maths, a constant, meaning 3.14, and the digits go on forever. But you can use your calculator to get the value of pi, so you don't need to remember the digits. But this time, we don't have the radius, because the radius would just be from here to here, from the centre to the perimeter like that. That would be the radius. We have the line all the way across the circle, and that's known as the diameter. So that's known as the diameter. Now, if we think about it, 2 lots of the radius would be the diameter of the circle, because look, a radius and another radius, they in turn form the diameter of the circle. So that 2r there, I could replace with d for the diameter. So we've got an alternative formula, which is pi times the diameter of the circle. So let's just highlight that, pi times the diameter. So the diameter here is 5 meters. So now I can just do the circumference is equal to pi multiplied by the diameter. And we said the diameter was 5. If we do that in our calculator, to get pi, you might need to use the shift key, but you should be able to see the pi somewhere in your calculator, times by 5. Now, my calculator just gives me 5 pi. It's tried to give me an exact answer. It's like a multiple pi, 5 lots of pi. But you want it as a decimal, so there's hopefully a key in your calculator to convert that to a decimal. And for me, it gives me 15.7. And it's in meters, isn't it? So that is the final answer. It's 15.7. So there's 2 ways of working out the circumference of a circle when you have the diameter. You could either halve the 5 meters, so halve the diameter to just get the radius of the circle. So half of 5 would be 2.5 meters. So then r would be 2.5. The radius would be 2.5, and you can substitute it into this formula. Or you can use this alternative formula, pi d, pi times the diameter, and use the diameter with that directly.